So over here you can see that I have a camera right here, and this camera is independent. So if I were to go around and move these out right here, then you can see that I can go around and individually move it. But what you can also do is you can add in a parent to the camera. So for that, I'm going to go around over here and create out a new layer. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and create out a plane right here, just like this, and press OK. And this is what I have, as you can see right here. Let's just go around and then scale this out right here, just like this. And this is what I have, as you can see. Right now, if I were to go around and move out my camera right here, the plane is still in the center. That is because this is a 2D layer. So let's just turn it into a 3D layer. And what happens is that you can see that it is still there right here, just like this. So what you can do is you can turn this plane object into the camera's parent. So to understand this even more, I'm going to go around onto 4 views right here. And this is the plane that we have right here, as you can see, just like this. So we can go around and keep the plane around over here. Let's say, for example, then what we can do is we can go around and on the camera right here, on the new camera section, I can go around and select out the parent to be the new plane right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that the plane object right here will become the parent. So if I were to go around and move these out right here, you can see that the camera moves as well as I move out the plane. And you can see that in the front view. So as I move out the plane right here, it moves out the camera right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and move this out right here, just like this, or from the top, if I were to go around and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and push this plane in and out according to how you want right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and select none for the parent right here, just like this. And what I can do is I can move the plane freely over here as well. So now again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and set out the parent as the plane right here. So I'm just going to go around and select out the parent as the plane right here. And once I do that, what happens is that you can see that as I move this around, you can see that the camera moves as well. So this is the plane and the camera is moving as I am clicking and dragging the plane. So now what happens is that this plane is always in focus, as you can see right here. I can go around over here and then I can go around over here onto rotation, let's say, for example. And what happens is that it rotates out according to the plane right here, as you can see right here. I can go do rotate a Z right here and so forth, and based on the plane right here, you can see that the camera moves out right here. So wherever the plane moves, what happens is that the camera moves along and the camera acts as a child, and this particular object will always stay in focus, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the parent feature to parent out objects to cameras inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.